Malilio wechinembeche tayari West TV okwamena ninje but Ishak umunyamyatsi ukwawo habochinemba hane Kasese district okwandambye nutule okwabuhikira bukuru obwe Kasese municipality kandi tule hano hanyuma yechimenyera nje aba councillors na mayor owe Kasese municipality munabwire bakaya sharinga in okubutu kubwe sahanga munane so tukebe tukarangira mayor na aba councillors abayikire asatu na musanju ibakarahera ahano Kasese municipality okondamye nutuwite bwambale Habat kandonu ni councillor owe Rukoki ward tunena hano eribi tukakana kumyatsi politiki kandi tukachimenyera nje bwambale Habat yonu imene okutya speaker habwe NRM so tukanze riminya iyo aute ndekachi okuba speaker bukuwe kandi nobwembembeche obwe Rukoki ward akaburangirate umyaka ni icano ikasa tukaneza mchaka bakakurangira kwa kineme
wasenja omutete niwe program okwamena ni Habat bwambale kansala we Rukoki odereso ku municipality kandi anyumaho yulaka kolanga secretary social services mu municipality no leno oyuhambira bendera NRM kubwa speaker bawulikiriri nabaka banemulangire Rwenzori TV tayari TV indi masinja kutsebo kaninga ndi mubukire erimbere ngatukerisima abanyakase municipality bose cyanyandula n'ishosi okwibimba kana nyambiro mamisabe narinyo tiche mobilization ukuli ngati namambe bendera iyo wa speaker kaninga ndo malingwata echa kabiri nasima bakasalas abe municipality ababa binyira mu obwesiwa abimane muongo shayi baka sondebwa ambu ngabe speaker abonga basima esenguta busobolero
so umwirangira lyawo iwe ukachirangira wote urwe executive member habwe secretary social services obuhereza burwe but umyaka 5 ihwera
wasinja anekwanane bali bane mutuherezya sinanga bwende mutu performinga omusha office z'SHC but hane chindu echanyifosingo kubwende ngaso kuwa speaker kondo matama yayo kubanza munga tatunga any position etama yayo kabere mubambere executive position and on the third term yayo so with that experience at least I have shared eremenyerera how council operates omumye kitano eno hanyuma nga nembe executive munga nasanga ehali big gap between speaker mayor how man town clerk ne gap yika to affectinga itobakasala bakakuratera bantu so muhabye pull and push omumye kitano in a way that itukatuka it suggestion yengo la kulana ero speaking natunga emendi wengo mundu in a way that ina hindaringe yengo la kulana a case ne point abasamaliri mulangiro kwa headquarters ano tunatimbire ko olutu olumula leta a pull and push between the speaker between the mayor and the town clerk in a way that it to treatment to himbe ko olutu and all my 5 years government plan but the speaker currently or you to wait iyo mwana to olutu so necessary alwe na out other ill intention siwe ngomundu probably I may think of maybe bekalinkani at Aisha sende sio sikulisiba wonde muhanda sikulisiba wonde mwana eshapeva setumene kwesisa moya bya problem to him mwabuka nabu ate eshapeva sitolera hano so it therefore mina una notice ill intentions so namaya another case ebulembya muto proposing yo rodolo kadarasa tutukaya lokola tomato abye lokola itwenge realizing atutre esha sende toto bilukitingo kwa rodolo mostrakola worth 112 million speaker ma constituting committee a probe committee at investigating amatimba yenyuma kandi ama yako rapitingayo amatibase wa reporting ambo sha sende mushakola omumemba mumo kwa committee amatunga amasa with the independent mind kuse minority report speaker making sure sata mu room to present that minority report which was emphasizing at indeed sha sende musetakola twamatuka kwa mirire twamasanga speaker already imba mu bribing in order to cancel twamendo makanso twamasaba tutuleka presenting minority report to comparing with the report of other members that are presented mwana amana twamatukenda wamukenda embogo yao kende Nyakasanga twatunde mukoswing yao enzera and usmid program neromia tungaho in comparison and the program of usmid it was in case amabaneka any in comparison if they don't continue with the project and that the comparison was brought by the speaker in his mind and in his wisdom and in the council he ably said atorudolo still when continue for as long as the road does not go to heaven and toma tukarealizing nyumba eyaleto tandikolebwa enyasukuru the very speaker bina birandikere World Bank akabati bamu compensating bamwesha sende kandi itunazo te World Bank siri compensating so mari langira to yes speaker here to wait sali pro development of Kasese municipality are out into this situation
so omutwange na yulia how are you going to coordinate mayor tukarangira no FDC ewe ukayabya let me say ukayabya speaker owe NRM. How are you going to coordinate your work with the mayor or FDC?
Okay, thank you. Inje ni my wisdom. Yes, Uganda tulomusha multi party. Yes, itukatunge party ekakuleta omwa system. Nga munabwire ngongali sa muna lwewe yirukochi kwa flag ya NRM. Nale no banya NRM bama bembe flag sikuwa speaker. Therefore I'm going to contest with other parties. Mayor ni FDC but then mukamuke kwa service delivery cause intention ekale kitu aitsembi twasahano twasakola abantu mukamuke kwa service delivery ambe shapati masira musiki so me as a speaker in order and services shamaenda mulero ngautekiranganiza na mayor na town clerk itwe tukikereza chindochi na chindochi cyumukulibya tutwamahereje abantu bekase municipality kwanze kula ni municipality
Wasinja mukuru Mateisa